Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the 2012 election debate number 4. Let's start with an opening statement from each candidate.
I'm not done fundamentally changing America yet. Once you go black, you never go back.
I swear I did not touch her. She's obviously lying. She came on to me and I turned her down. Now she's mad and wants revenge.
I will help bring jobs back to America. Screw poor Chinese children and their families. We have needs, too.
You there, in the wheelchair. Stand up and take 'em now.
Interesting opening statements. Now on to the first question.
May I just interrupt and say how great it is we can have this debate? I strongly believe we can work together and win this thing.
What the hell are you talking about? There can only be one president. Are you trying to ruin that too? All you do is ruin everything. You are the biggest Uncle Tom I've ever seen.
Can we please get to the first question? We have a tonight permission to address later on. Uh-oh. Did I just say that out loud? Mission compromised.
Well, I'm afraid we're going to have to take a commercial break. We've got 3 minutes to stop that nuke launch, now that information has been leaked. Again.